How to ask a question about a product on Amazon. If you wish to ask a question about a product on Amazon, first of all, you could go to amazon.com and go to the product page of which you would like to ask a certain question. Now what you can do is, if it is actually a generic product, right, you can simply search for this particular product with its model number, review on other sources on the web, if you are not being able to ask your own questions. Now these could be available for some products, but then not, then what you want to do is simply try to scroll down to the bottom of the product page. When you scroll down to the bottom of the product page, you can see a couple of users who have purchased the items have added a review. In some cases, even without buying the item, you can add a review. On the left hand side, you can see review this product, but then you need to be a customer for that. And in some cases, if you're eligible to write a review, then you will be able to write a review or ask some questions regarding this particular product even before purchasing them. As you can see right now, in my case, my account has not met the minimum eligibility requirements to write a review, but if you have, you'll be able to write them. Otherwise, you can go to the frequently asked sections right here, and there could be one of your questions answered. If you're looking for a specific info, you can also ask the AI within Amazon right here to be able to give you certain information about the product, or you can see a couple of frequently asked questions right here. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.